Let's go to the handout, page 282. And this is the digit problem. And so let's go to number 1. So that again, when you're doing the problem, you always read to figure out what kind of problem this is. So after you read, you see that this is the digit problem. It's very obvious it's when the sum of the digits. So right away, that's your clue that this is the digit problem. And so again, when you read through, this one does not have reversal, so you don't have to do the original number, new number. You can just do the original number, okay? And this is going to be the 10th digit and the unit digit, right? So as you read, it says a sum of the digit. Sum of the digits, so that means t plus u equal to 9, right? The sum of the digit of number is 9. It says which means refer to 9, so which, right? So it is 9, is also 1/3 of the same two-digit number, so equal to 1/3 of the original number. So in this case, you don't have to do anything to it. See, you have original number, 1/3 of that is 9. So in this case, all you have to do is multiply both sides by 3, and this will cancel out. So your original number is equal to 27, and that's it. You're done. Okay, so this one is kind of this problem is kind of weird. Okay, now let's go to number 2. Again, you read through. So this one does not have reversal. So this one just have the original number. Again, the original number will have the 10th digit and the unit digit. So you can read through. It says sum. The sum, so means you're adding something. And what are you adding? It says the two digits, the sum of the two digits. So 10, the 10th digit and unit digit. And again, when talking about digit, do not multiply anything. Okay. Again, digit are just like, just a variable. So sum of the two digit is means equal 12. And it says, and the 10th digit, so that's t. 10th digit is means equal, twice means 2 times the 1st digit, so that's u. Okay, so what's the number? So you got two equations. So this is a substitution kind of equation, so you have to substitute this into here. So t equal to 2u, so substitute into here. So again, t is 2u. So whenever you substitute, put in the parentheses. Right? Again, t is 2u. So when they're equal means they're interchangeable. So from here, you're going to get 3u equal to 12. Divide by 3, so u equal to 4. Now don't box that, that's just the part of the information you need to solve the problem. So from here, after you solve for u equal to 4, you can use this one or use it, doesn't matter which one you use. This one probably a little bit quicker. So t equal to 2 times 4, so t equal to 8. So now the 10th digit is 8, unit digit is 4, therefore your number is 84. Okay, let's go to number 3. Again, read through the problem. So this is the digit problem, and these are the digit reverse, the reverse of the digits. So this means you need to get the original number. So that's the 10th digit, the unit digit, and then reverse of the number so that you got new number. Okay, so the new number is when you reverse a digit, so you got unit digit and 10th digit. Okay, so now let's go and translate. So number 3, the sum. Okay, that means you're adding something, the sum of the digits of the number. So that's 10th digit and unit digit. The sum of the digits of the number is 10. And it says the number, so that's original number. So the number is means equal 36 less than, so you have to put in the back, so 36 less than the reversal of its digit. Okay. So that's the new number. Now for the number, it's a value, so you have to multiply 10 when it's in the 10th place. So original number is going to be 10t plus u. Okay, so again, this is the value. So value, this is the 10th place is worth 10. That's why you have to multiply by 10. The new number now, the u is in the 10th place, so this is worth 10. So it would be 10u plus t. And so now you want to move variable to you want to make it look like that, right? So simplify things a little bit. So minus t to cancel it out, and minus 10u to cancel it out. So you got 9t minus 9u equal to negative 36. And what you want to do is you want to lower the number so easier to solve. Again, when you do an elimination method, you can multiply or you can divide, depends on whichever is easier. So in this case, you can divide by 9 to lower your number, so much easier to solve. So you got t minus u equal to -4. And the u already opposite. I see the u already opposite, so you can eliminate already. And I'm running out of space over here, so I'm going to put over here. So I got t minus u is equal to -4. So when you add, this cancels out. So you got 2t equal to 6. So divide by 2, divide by 2. So t equal to 3. And so from here, when t equal to 3, you can solve for u. So 3 plus u equal to 10. So u equal to 7. So if the t equal to 3, u equal to 7, so your final answer would be 37. Right? 10th place, 10th digit is 3, and unit digit is 7. Okay, let's go to number 4. I can read through. So this is the digit problem with the digit reversal. So you got the original number, that's 10th digit and unit digit, and you have the new number and the digit reverse. So you got unit digit and 10th digit. Okay. Now let's go and translate. It says the 10th digit, so that's t, right? 10th digit of a certain 2-digit number is means equal, 5 less than, so it's 5 less than unit digit number. Again, so 10th digit is 5 less than the unit digit. When the digits are reversed, so it tells you how to get this, right? It says the sum, so you're adding something, the sum of the two numbers. So that's your original number. Again, when it says number, you have to use this, right? This means number. So the sum of the two numbers is means equal 121. Okay, so that's your translation. So now you're going to start to put in the value for the original number. Again, for the number is a value. It has value. So this is worth 10. So you get 10t plus u. Again, this is worth 10. The t is worth 10. That's why you have to multiply by 10. Now over here, the new number, the u is worth 10 because this is in the 10th place. So it'd be 10u plus t. So now you're working, so you go and combine the like terms. So this will give you 11t, and this will give you 11u. And again, you can divide to lower number, and that's one of the indications that you're on the right track. Usually, if you can divide to lower number, usually means you're on the right track. So divide by 11, divide by 11, divide by 11. So t plus u is equal to 11. And then this is a substitution kind of equation, so you can substitute this into here. So t equal to u minus 5. So u minus 5 plus u equal to 11. And so from here you can simplify, right? So you can go and combine the like terms. So you got 2u minus 5 equal to 11. So plus 5 on both sides. You got 2u equal to 16. You divide by 2, so u equal to 8. So once you find out u equal to 8, you can come over here to substitute into here. So t equal to 8 minus 5, so t equal to 3. So once you find t equal to 3, u equal to 8, so your original number, you have to be careful, make sure you answer the question. It asks for the original number, so original number would be tu, so it would be 38. Now if it asks for the new number, then answer would be 83. Okay, so just be careful, make sure you answer the question. Okay, let's go to number 5. I can read through. So these are with the new number and the original number. So original number and the new number. So the new number gets switched. So this is u and the t. Now let's go and translate. It says a sum, so that means you're adding something. The sum of the two digits, so there's t and u. The sum of two digits of the number is means equal, 10 means 10. When the digits are reversed, it tells you how the new number is formed. It says original number. Okay, so there's original number. Again, it says original number, you just translate exactly what it says, right? Original number is means equal, 72 less than. Again, when you have less than, you have to put in the back. So original number is 72 less than the new number. Okay, so So that's your translation. So now let's put stuff in there, right? So original number is this one. So this is in the 10th place. So this is worth 10. So it'd be 10t plus u. Now the new number is this over here. So this is in the 10th place. So this is worth 10. So it'd be 10u plus t. And again, make sure not have everything, okay, so you don't make mistakes. And so now let's go and get variable to one side. So minus t on both sides, minus 10u on both sides. So you get 9t minus 9u equal to negative 72. Again, if you're on the right track, usually means you can divide to lower your number. So let's go and divide by 9 to lower the number. So you get t minus u equal to negative 8. And now the u already opposite. The u already opposite, I'm going to put this under here to solve. So t minus u equal to negative 8. When I add, this cancels out. So I got 2t, right? T plus t is 2t equal to 2. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So t equal to 1. Now once I find t equal to 1, from here, I'm going to use this equation here. So from here I get 1 plus u equal to 10. So u equal to 9. And therefore my answer would be 1, 9. So answer would be 19. Okay. Let's go to number 6. So you can read through the problem. So you can this is the digit problem with a reversal. So you do the same thing. So you get original number, and you get a new number, and that's going to translate. It says the 10th digit, so that's t, right? The 10th digit of the number is means equal, 3 means it's 3, more than means plus the unit digit. So that's the equation. And if the digit is reversed, okay, and the original 10th digit, so that's t, right? Again, it's digit. So when it's digit, you just write down the variable, right? So original 10th digit is added to, so means plus, to this new number. So original 10th digit is added to this new number. The sum is 66. Okay? So now, let's go ahead and substitute this. So the new number is this one here. So now this is worth 10. So it'd be 10u plus t. And so you work it out. So you got 2t plus 10u equal to 66. And over here you can substitute, right? So here, this is a substitution kind of equation. So substitute this to here. So you got 2 times 3 plus u plus 10u equal to 66. So multiply out, work it out. So you got 6 plus 2u plus 10u equal to 66. Again, none of everything, so that way avoid careless mistakes. Combine the like terms, so you get 6 plus 12u equal to 66. So minus 6 on both sides. So 12u equal to 60. Divide by 12, divide by 12. So u equal to 5. Once you get u equal to 5, you come over here to solve for t. So t equal to 3 plus u, which is the 5. So t equal to 8. And so now t equal to 8, u equal to 5, and your original number would be 85. Okay, and that's it for number 6. Okay, let's go to number 7. So you can read through. So this is the digit problem and with the digit reversal. So you got original number, and you got a new number. So that's going to be, it says the 10th digit, so that's t, is means equal, 4 times it means 4 times 1's digit, so 4u. Right, so again, 10th digit is 4 times the unit digit. It says the original number, so original number minus the number on the digit, so that's new number. So original number minus the new number is means equal 54. Okay? So now you have to be careful because subtraction. This is why you need to put substitution in parentheses. So original number is 10u is 10t plus u minus the new number is this one here, so it's 10u plus t. Right? again, you have to watch your subtraction. That's why you want to put in a parenthesis. So that way you can get rid of the parentheses. So you got 10t plus u, so minus 10u minus t. This is what you need to watch for. Okay, a lot of people mess up right over here. Okay, so you got to watch this one over here. So combine the like terms. So you got 9t minus 9u equal to 54. Divide by 9, divide by 9, divide by 9. So you got t minus u equal to 6. Okay. Then after that, you can substitute. See over here it says t equal to 4u. So substitute into here. So 4u minus u equal to 6. So you get 3u equal to 6. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So u equal to 2. So once you find u equal to 2, you come over here. You can solve for t. Right? So t equal to 4 times 2. So t equal to 8. And so in this case, you got t equal to 8, u equal to 2. So your original number is 82. Okay, let's go to number 8. So again, you got the reversals. So you got 10th digit, unit digit, and this is the new number. Now the reason you want to keep doing this is because now there are problems that you don't reverse a digit. You can do a lot of things with a new number. So you want to get this rate so you can see how the new number is formed. Sometimes you can say add 10 to the 10th digit and minus 3 from the unit digit. Okay, so that way you have to write down what is being done to get a new number. But in this case, so far, we always switch the digits in this case. Okay, but it's not always that. You can do whatever to get the new numbers. Okay, number 8, the sum. So you're adding something. The sum of the 2-digit numbers. Okay, so that's original number. The sum of the 2-digit number and a number reversal, so that's the new number, means equal to 88. And it says the sum of original number, the sum of the original number and its unit digit is 24. Okay, and so that's what you have. So what you want to do is, again, let's go and simplify things. So this original number is 10t plus u. New number is 10u plus t. And that's going to work it out. So this is going to give you 11t plus 11u equal to 88. And you want to divide to lower your number. Again, that's how you know you're on the right track. If you can divide to lower your number, usually means that you're on the right track. Okay. Now let's go and work on this side. Do the same thing. So original number is 10t plus u. And this one you can go ahead and simplify. So you got 10t plus 2u equal to 24. And I'm going to divide to lower the number, so divide by 2. So I get 5t plus u equal to 12. Okay. And I'm going to eliminate the u, so I'm going to multiply this by -1 to get the u opposite. So times by -1. So I get negative t minus u equal to -8. And put over here, right? So I get negative t, I can put this over here, minus u equal to -8, and you add, this cancel out, so you got 4t equal to 4, divide by 4, divide by 4, so t equal to 1. So once you find t equal to 1, I can look for any equation. You can look for any equation. So this is the easiest one, so I'm going to use this one here. So I get 1 plus u equal to 8, so minus 1, minus 1. So u equal to 7. So in this case, I got 1 and 7, so my answer would be 17. Okay. Let's go to number 9. Okay, number 9, again, this is the digit reversal. So you got original number, and you have the new number. And it says, there's a certain 2-digit number whose 10th digit, so that's t, equal to 1.5. So I'm going to use decimal, 1.5 times the unit digit. And the sum of the 2-digit, so that's t plus u. The sum of the 2-digit is 15. So what's the original number? Okay. So this one actually does not even have the new number. Okay. Okay, so again you substitute. So 1.5u plus u equal to 15. Combine the like terms, you got 2.5u equal to 15. Divide by 2.5. Divide by 2.5. So u equal to 6. So u equal to 6, and you can use this one or you can use it, doesn't matter. So if you use this one, equal to 1.5 times 6. So t equal to 9. So your answer would be 96. So this one does not even have the reversal, so you don't even have to worry about that. Okay, so let's go to number 10. This one has a reversal, so you got original number, and you have the new number. So let's read. It says a difference. So difference means subtraction, right? So difference means subtraction. So difference of the two-digit number. So that's the original number, and the number with a digit reverse. So that's new number. So difference between the original number and new number means equal 9, and this is the sum of the digit. So t plus u. The sum of digit is 7. So that's your equation. So again, let's work it through. So this is 10t plus u minus 10u plus t equal to 9. Work it out. So 10t plus u minus 10u. Again, this is what you have to be careful. It's minus t. Okay? Combine the like term. You get 9t minus 9u equal to 9. Divide by 9. Divide by 9. Divide by 9. So t minus u equal to 1. And I'm going to put this under here because u are opposite. So t minus u equal to 1. So you add, this cancels out. So 2t equal to 8, divide by 2, divide by 2. So t equal to 4. So once I find t equal to 4, I'm going to use this one here. So I get 4 plus u equal to 7. So minus 4, minus 4. So u equal to 3. Therefore my answer is 43.